Hi, this is Shubham, and in this video, we will learn how to use Excel dynamic array formulas to extract high performing customers or high value customers. So, we have a data here, and I have created another sheet where we will do some analysis based on group by function and filter function available in Excel 365 version. But I will also tell you that what are different approaches if you don't have Excel 365. So primarily you can select the data and create a pivot table. And this video is not limited to just one or two solutions. If you have any other idea in your mind, you are watching this video, you can comment. So let's get started. I have this data. Let me make you understand what we have in different columns. So we have data segregated by order ID, customer ID, their names, order dates, priorities, SKUs, unit per sale price, discount. Then based on some shipping amount, shipping mode, net sale price and order amount. And this is in tabular data. This is a tabular data based on different records. So the customer comes in on different dates and have their orders. So we are looking for those customers who are high value or high performing, who have spent up till now more than $20,000 with us. So let's get started. I am just keeping it very simple so that everyone can understand. So let us start. What we want is we want the customer ID, name, the amount to be grouped by. Okay. First, we will extract the data because if I give you an example, let's say for the customer 18, number 18, so the customer 18 has a different order ID or on different dates. So if you can see the order amount for this particular customer, okay. So order amount sometimes this customer has an order amount of 73129020 different transactions, and we want to group by the sum so that we can know how much he has spent with us. So total of 86,427, right? So what we will do is we will be grouping by customer ID and name and order amount column, and then we will filter for all those customers who are greater than or equals to 80,000. So let us start. I will go to this cell C7 and let's write group by. This function is available with 365 beta version users. So make sure you have an updated version. So group by, the first argument in is row fields. So we want from the data table, we have named that data as a data converted into a table format. Okay. So we want the customer ID and also the customer name. All right. Then in the second argument, in the values, we will pick OK. So in the second argument, which is of value, we will pick the order amount column from the data table that is here. Now the function we want to use here is the sum. So we will write sum here, and then we don't want to the total row. So we will put 0 here for no totals, and that's it. When you press the enter key, you will get the list. You will get a list of our all customer IDs, names, and aggregation of sum applied. Right now, what we want is to filter all those customer ID names uh, with have a greater than $80,000 as a high value customer. So for that, we will be using the filter function. So the first argument as of array. So we have to select these three columns, ID, name, and amount. Okay. All right. So we can put it like C7 hashtag. Then we will need to fill this include argument. This is for the criteria. So we want the amount column to be selected here, and that should be greater than or equals to 80,000. So once you press the enter key, you will get to see all those results filtered based on greater than or equals to 80,000. If you want to sort the amount column based on descending order, like highest to lowest. So you can add one more function to this, and that is sort. So sort, and then sort index would be third column. For descending, we use -1 and close the bracket. So now, as you can see, the list has been sorted, right? So this is how I have kept simple for this transaction and data for approximately 8,399 records with table that is primarily easy. So let's select the data, go to Insert tab, click on Pivot Tables, click on OK. That will insert a new sheet where you can add customer ID, customer names. This is an alternate approach to do it, right? And then just drag the order amount if you want side by side order ID, and customer name. So what you can do is right click, go to pivot table, options, display, and select the classic pivot table layout. Make sure you uncheck the subtotals to be turned off, okay? Alright, now what we need to filter is just all the customers more than 80,000, right? So we will go to the value filters greater than or equals to, and right here 80,000, and that's it. We got the same kind of result, similar result. If you want to sort this as well from the highest to lowest, so go to more sorting options descending based on some of the order amount, press OK, right? So that's easy. If you have the pivot table option available, if you have dynamic array, then you can do with that as well. Thank you.